everyone, it's Catherine, and for today's video, I will be sharing with you one of my secrets on how to stay organized and productive. Before anything else, this video is sponsored by Taskade, but you know that I only feature products and apps that I personally use and of course works for me. So you don't have to worry a thing because Taskade is what I personally used for my academics, schedules, and whatnot. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel to be part of our growing family, and do me a favor by clicking the notification bell button for you to be notified every Monday of my weekly uploads. Without further ado, let's spill the tea behind my productivity. Now, to introduce to you what is Taskade, it is basically an all-in-one collaboration platform for brainstorming, managing tasks, and mind mapping with built-in video chat. But I haven't tried the video chats yet. It is also available on the web, iOS, Android, Chrome, Mac, and PC. And if you want to have an app on your device, you may download it for free on App Store and Google Play. Now let me give you a quick tour before I share how do I personally use this app. Don't skip this part because this will help you learn the basics and how will you use the app itself. Number 1. Taskade is beginner friendly. First, let's take a look at the left side of our screen. By clicking this 3-line icon, you will see the search bar, your recent, your activity, calendar, the projects you started, and your tasks. What's nice about Taskade is it gives you your own workspace. So I have mine here entitled My Daily, for God, for my studies, and of course for YouTube. You can create your own workspace by simply clicking this plus button. Name it according to what you want, insert an emoji, pick a color or customize it, and you may add an emoji or upload your own photo to give identity to your workspace. And under Workspace, you can add a subspace if you want to be more detailed in what you are doing. Your workspace will be your venue to create projects, tasks, basically the whole point of using Taskade. Taskade, it's like its own web browser. You can add multiple tabs so you don't have to go back over and over. You just have to switch tabs when you need it to access or create a project. Number 2. Taskade is customizable. Here at the bottom left corner, you can see this color icon. This will allow you to select your background. If you want to keep it simple, then just choose from the colors available. They also provided some photos to choose from. But if you're like me who want to select a background according to aesthetics, then you are allowed to upload your own image. You may go to Pinterest and download the background you wanted to use. Now let's make a sample from the templates available. You just have to click New and it will show you this Get Started icon where you can review how to use the app extensively. But let's just skip that part. We have Blank, Create a Template, Weekly Planner, and etc. At the last part, you can see More, and it will lead you to another tab to select templates according to their categories. Under the personal category, let's try using this planning list. So click and select the workspace you want it to belong. Let's rename the title and just change the content of the list. You may also change the format to paragraph, to box, circular, or heart-shaped checker. And my most favorite part is you can color the task according to its category. For example, #film, a YouTube video, and I will color it purple because it stands for my YouTube category. Don't worry, later you will understand what these colors are for. Number 3. Taskade is collaborative. You can share your templates and you can work with your friends, classmates, or workmates. You can share this list to someone by simply clicking share, copy link, and send it to someone. And for me, I think this collaborative function works best during research, studies, and work related activities. Done with the basics of Taskade, now let me show you how do I use it for my daily activities. Under my daily workspace, I have my weekly logs template. I use this every single week to list down my priorities and events for the whole week. I can use that template here on my projects and basically list down my tasks to track. Here is my Sunday to Saturday task. As you can see, I'm done with the other tasks, so they are now completed. About the colors under the task, I do this to categorize them according to their groups. Pink is for my ministry, purple is for YouTube, blue is for personal, and green is for my Words That Conquer page. I use hashtags so it's easier for me to track my tasks. Taskade allows you to visualize each project via multiple views. You can choose if you want your project to be in a list format, board, action, mind map, and organizational chart. And all of these work in every project that you will make. But as for me, most of the time, I prefer using the board format. And for the academics or studies, I'm planning to use Taskade for my notes this coming school year. I discovered a cool feature and let me share that to you. So I prepared some notes regarding English Lit, and as you can see, it's in a paragraph format, so you can literally use Taskade for your school notes, projects, and whatnot. For example, I'm still in the course of writing my notes and I search for some references online. Did you know that Taskade can save the link of that website right to your project? As a sample, here is an article regarding Jane Austen's books and I want to save this to my project. You just have to add Taskade on your Google extensions and click the Taskade icon. Now you can save the link to your workspace and project. And now let's check it on our project. See guys, you can save multiple links in your project. I think this is one of the best features of Taskade, and I will definitely do this whenever I need to save links for references. And lastly, let me show you how Taskade helps me to organize my YouTube content ideas. So under my YouTube workspace, I have my 1-year YT video ideas, wherein my content ideas for the whole year are listed in one project. And I have my monthly video tracker. This is where I schedule my videos for the whole month. And lastly, my YT video brainstorming project. This is where I plan my video, decide which title to use, and what tags to mention. I also write here my outline for the whole video. Here's a sample outline of this Taskade video we are filming today. For the next blocks, I have target dates for filming, editing, and uploading. That's basically it for today's video. This is how I literally organize my schedule, my priorities, basically how I organize my life to stay fruitful and productive. Again, this is Taskade, your all-in-one platform for many activities. Thank you so much for watching and hoping to see you on my next video. Bye!